Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to be talking about how and where to get some low content book ideas. Specifically we're talking about puzzle books and this new puzzle word list database that you see here on the screen, done for you word list for puzzle book and printable publishers. So what this is a new database website that has different categories, topics, niches, as you can see right here. And it has downloadable word list ready to be imported into your favorite puzzle book software. So what we're going to do is take a look at these lists, and we're going to take a look at how they can be used in 3 different puzzle publishing softwares. So let's start with Barnyard right here. This is under the animals category. You simply click on Barnyard. And you can see right here you have Barnyard Animals 1 and 2 and Barnyard 3. Now these are zip files that are downloadable. You just click on them and you download it. So for example, you would click here to download Barn Animals 1 and 2. That simply downloads a zip file that you can see here in the bottom corner. And then when that's downloaded, what you have is a zip file that you open up, and then when you open that up, you'll have your text document, as you can see right here. Barnyard Animals, and a list of the animals that are under the category Barnyard. So before we move over to the puzzle publishing software, I've gone ahead and downloaded a couple of other ones. Presidents of the United States by last name, as well as continents, because I'm going to need 4 puzzles in this next puzzle software. And the next puzzle software here is Puzzle Book Mastery. Of course, I've done a review on this. I'll leave a card up in the right hand corner. And you can see here that we're going to do a word scramble. We currently have 0 available inside of here, and this works in multiples of 4. That's why I went ahead and downloaded from the puzzle word list database. I went ahead and downloaded 3 more other than the example of the Barnyard example. Went ahead and downloaded some US presidents and some continents. Again, you can see those 4 files right here. They're just simply text files ready to be uploaded. So we'll go back to Puzzle Book Mastery and we'll go ahead and we'll upload those into word scrambles. And inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, you just simply drag and drop the text files. So you'll select those text files and you'll just drag those over and drop them in. That will upload. Click to continue. And now we have 4 word scrambles available in our list. We'll go ahead and we'll make 4 puzzles. Output the PDF browser, make puzzles. And you can see right here that you have your word search puzzles all ready to go. Barnyard Animals, continents, more Barnyard Animals, and then of course you have the solutions here. Your Barnyard Animals, your continents, and more Barnyard Animals. So it's just that simple. Inside of Puzzle Book Mastery, once you download the word list from the puzzle word list database from puzzlewordlist.com. Also, another great thing about this, it's not just the lists that are done for you. There's categories here that will give you more ideas, how to mix and match, how to come up with your own puzzle books. There's a coming soon list here, of course, where they're keeping track of the new lists that are coming. The new lists are being provided, so there'll always be fresh content and fresh ideas. You just simply download those as a zip file, open up the zip file, and you have the text file, and you can see how easy it was to create the word search puzzles inside of Puzzle Book Mastery. So let's take a look at a different puzzle software, PuzzleWiz. I haven't actually reviewed this yet, but we're going to take a quick look at it here. We'll go ahead and we'll look at word search, because this program does take a little different format. As you can see right here, it explains the format, which is a CSV file. File extension should be .csv and should contain a single word on each line, and they give you an example file right there. Of course, the files that we have are .txt files, but what we're going to do is we're going to do a little test here, and we're going to grab the Barnyard Animals.txt. We're going to make a duplicate of it, and we're going to see if we can change this to a CSV file, and then simply select that file and upload it. We'll include solutions, and we'll go ahead and submit that. You can see there it was submitted, and now you get to download your last document. And you can see how easy that was right there to create the puzzle. You can see the barnyard animals right here, and you can see the solutions right there for your barnyard animals. And it's just that simple. Download the file from the Puzzle Word List database, pop over to PuzzleWiz, and create your puzzle just like that. So we have all these lists available inside a Puzzle Word List database. We're going to take a look at one more puzzle software that I haven't reviewed yet, that's actually in beta, that hasn't come out. It's called Word Search Crazy. This is from the same creator of Simply Maze Crazy, which I did do a review on. Check that out up in the right hand corner. It's a program that creates mazes that you can use in all your activity books. Of course, we have a different format here. The way we enter, we don't upload a file here. We actually enter text separated with a space. Of course, our files are just plain text, so all we have to do in this case is just grab a few out of the list. Go ahead and grab the first 16 right here. We'll copy those out of our text file. We'll pop that in right there. We'll make sure we bump up this puzzle width a little bit to make sure we have enough space. 20 characters should be plenty. And we'll go ahead and we'll generate search. There you can see the grid has been created for the puzzle with all the words we're looking for. And then if you click on solution, you can see the solution grid is provided as well. Again, that's Word Search Crazy. So it's just that simple. Once you get inside of Puzzle Word List database, you have all these done for you word lists for all your puzzle books. And of course, you could use these if you're a printable publisher as well. Of course, if you'd like to join the Puzzle Word List database, you can do that over at puzzlewordlist.com. There will be a link in the description and the pinned first comment. As you can see, here's the sales page. It's currently just $5 to subscribe. That's $5 every month to maintain your membership and gain access to the online portal that you see right here, that you've seen inside of already. You see exactly how it works. There is an explanation on the sales page how it does work, the 3 steps, and you saw the first 2 steps right here. Of course, the third step is to publish them, for example, on Amazon KDP. Again, just $5 to join. Here's some frequently asked questions about your rights and your license to all the content that you download, your billing, how often is the database updated, the guarantee right here. You will be pleased guarantee. If you're not pleased for any reason, just contact support and your current month's membership fee will be returned and your membership will be canceled. No hard feelings. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment what you think about the word list database for creating puzzles. One final note, there is a free Facebook group that you can join where there are some other puzzle publishers in there, as well as there's some free word lists and puzzles that are being given away. You can also provide and look at other word list topics that are coming up. And full disclosure, puzzlewordlist.com is from me, Gary Baker, and 30minutemarketing.net, just to let you know. And with that, don't forget, link in the description and the pinned first comment. Check out puzzlewordlist.com, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.